Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we recently went on a trip to Dublin, Ireland. We were coming from the US traveling to Dublin, Ireland. So I just want to share to you guys what you should wear when you are in Ireland or what you are going to pack before going to Ireland. So basically jeans, pants, leggings. I love to wear those yoga leggings and shoes. Any tennis shoes, any flat shoes will do. Boots, any flat boots will do. Um, I don't know if you should bring a high heels with you because there's gonna be a lot of walking in Ireland. So, but it's still up to you guys. You can also wear a dress and just cover up uh, with a thin coats or a thicker coats or a scarf, um, just a thin scarf, and just at least bring one thicker jacket with you because you'll never gonna know when is the weather gonna change. The weather in Ireland is always changing, so just be ready and have fun.
Así åka av hela Ryssland.